Hey everybody, it's Elle and Emily, your favorite Slayers, and today
we're unboxing our fabulous goodies from Oligo Professional today. First we have our cool blonde. We love this for the icy platinum looks.
Say hello to your dream clients, and next up we've got Extra Blonde, which allows 9 levels of lift.
Now we have my personal favorite 9V Color Gloss. Shine, tones, and conditions all in one. It's like a spa day for your hair.
This will tone out all those extra yellow goodies that you don't like in your highlights, and for the summer blondes, we can always tone that with a 10N, as Emily's showing here in this fabulous unboxing video.
We have some 10V, 9AI, 9NB.
These are just basically all of our favorite girls here at the party, all together, all combined as one. This is our Color Permanent line.
Our most used permanent line for our gray coverage girls. And
that's
concludes